Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this cake hat in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is an accessory that I get from the Gourmet Live collection. So I'm going to go to my watch and open up the collection and open the Gourmet Live. Okay, and I'm going to click on the stars. All right, when you have received okay, when you have received 40 stars, you will be able to claim this reward. Okay, then you can apply it by going to the dress up menu and go to the hat category. Then you will be able to apply this cake hat to your avatar. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the cake hat in Heartopia game for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!